What did YouTube? Uh, just a quick update for you guys. Couple things I got from Harbor Freight today, and also a package I got in the mail, and it's from Downtime. He's a YouTuber. You guys go check him out. And the guy who won the giveaway, his name is Antonio Busta. That's his YouTube name. You guys go check him also out. Busta, Boosta. Now, I was meeting with him the night he won that giveaway because they were doing a live stream. Downtime was doing it. So Antonio ended up winning the giveaway. And this will have be his number 6 item he won from YouTube. And he ended up giving it to me, which was pretty nice of him. He didn't want it. He said, I can have it. So I said, sure. So what in this package is a Snap-on test light. And this probably will be the first thing I own that is a Snap-on brand. I don't buy Snap-on tools or nothing because how expensive they are. I'm more like a Harbor Freight junkie. I buy a lot of stuff from Harbor Freight, but this is the first Snap-on thing I own. Appreciate it, Antonio. That was pretty nice of you. So that's this for this here. Now, what I picked from Harbor Freight, it's the 9mm gloves. Was on sale for $9. This is the 7mm. So since this was on sale, I picked one of them. I already unpackaged this here. I also picked this one, which was on sale for $9. It's that LED light go on your head. Battery, which was free. And then a set of big sockets. This thing came from Harbor Freight. This come from my brother from his store, which was sitting on the shelf for a while. So I ended up grabbing this from him. And last thing I pick up from Harbor Freight, it's that 40-pound sandblaster. I'm gonna have it all set up probably tonight or tomorrow. That's this. And then from Home Depot, I pick up 2 bags of sand, which was like $3.59. So each bag, I think it's 50 pounds. So I'm gonna try this sandblaster tomorrow, see how good it is. So this is what it requires: 60-25 CFM, 60 to 125 psi working pressure. So now, since I have a bigger air compressor, I think I should be good, because I've seen a lot of people who try to use like 26-gallon air compressor or 10-gallon air compressor, and they end up having issue of it